Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I apologize. It's like the end of the day and my makeup is looking a little crusty and breaking apart a bit. But I ordered this eyeshadow palette a little while ago and it got kind of pushed to the back of my makeup drawer and kind of forgot about it. But this is the Imagic Professional Cosmetics Beauty Glitter Palette. I ordered this from a website called Fancota, FANCOTA.com, and it's not even available on their website anymore, so that's not really a great sign. So yeah, you can find these on like Amazon, and I just quickly saw some on like AliExpress. So obviously I'm not sure exactly how this palette is going to work. They had two varieties of it. They had a natural glitter palette, and then they had a bright glitter palette. So I went with the natural. So here it is. You get 12 shades and they are a pressed glitter formula. So basically I already have my makeup on. I just figured I would test these guys out and see how it works. I saw their ads like all over Facebook and Instagram and I couldn't find a single review about these. So I ended up buying them. So you can see it picks up like a lot of glitter on my finger. But then when you swatch it, it's kind of chunky and breaks apart. So I'm not too sure how well this is going to work and last on the skin. Let me just zoom you guys in and I will try and put this on my eyes. I think I'm going to take this pink shade that I already dipped my finger in, or maybe this rose one right beside it. This is just a dry brush. I'm just trying to see if this will pick anything up. Nope, not really. Okay, let me just dampen this brush. And let's see if a wet brush will pick anything up. So the wet brush definitely applied it. It's hard to get a really even application, and you do have to kind of dig your brush in there. But I mean, honestly, this doesn't look too bad. And there's like no fallout under my eye. Minimal fallout. Normally with like a not pressed glitter, you'd be having a lot more fallout. So let's try a different shade on the other eye. Let's go for this like really bright gold down here. And see what this looks like on this eye. So I think I got a little bit much because there was more fallout with that shade. But it's actually like pretty easy just to wipe it away. So here is the pink one and the gold one. Honestly, these aren't too bad. Let me just zoom you guys out. Okay, so I know that this is a really quick tutorial. This is just honestly like, I wanted to test this out, but all of the formulas seem to be the same in here. When you pick it up, you get a crap ton of glitter. And then when you push it onto the skin and drag it, you really don't get a ton of glitter payoff. It's kind of gets sparse, but with the damp brush, these actually applied really nicely without a ton of fallout. The only thing is that from a website like AliExpress and stuff, I assume this is cosmetic grade glitter, but it honestly doesn't say anywhere on the package and just claims to be easy to apply glitter with no fallout. And I think that they achieved that. I think that this is a really quick, easy way to use glitter. I'm kind of annoyed that this has been sitting in my drawer for a couple months now and I just kept forgetting about it. So I will link this down below if I can find it. I found it on Amazon, so I will probably link that one down below because I feel like Amazon's more of a reliable source than like AliExpress or Wish or anything like that. Tarte reviewed a palette similar to this. It was like thebomb.com a couple months ago. So I will try and link that one down below too so you guys can check that out. It had a lot more colors. Overall, these aren't too bad. I'm definitely going to be reaching for them and testing out some of the other shades. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching this quick little tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all at the next video. Bye, guys.